Marilyn, the owner of Linux Homemade Products. So we're here to ask her a few questions about her business.
Actually, ang business ko nagsugod ni last 2014.
Actually, nag-start na mo ang business na itong pandemic time.
MLC Food Products, nagsugod siya la 2019.
Gikan pa rin sa pandemic, isugod.
It actually started during lockdown.
Ilang siya. Talking about history, it's a long history na English ko pa. Nga nung nainani minor ko.
Actually, ang ako product is plastic carton.
So, nag-try mi og luto-luto og saging.
Thinking about the idea what to do during the lockdown. So we wanted to do business.
Murag, kuhan ang pagsugod, kanang kasakit.
At the last time nga nakaunaw namin nga why not ato i-try og banana chips, but at first for our consumption lang to una. So among ipatry sa amuang sakop sa pamilya, and then it so happen nga naganahan po sila.
So he was actually a diving instructor. And so at first we were thinking about diving, but since there's lockdown and we don't really think it's possible to open up that year, like 2020. So we decided, okay, let's come up something related to agriculture, and then his mother is the one who suggests about how about making a chocolate. We heard about good chocolate in Philippines.
Ang base niya ay from Binay. Binay fruit. Kaya ako nang i-explain mo. Until nga naka-train ko na
So what we do is we buy fresh beans directly from small farmers in Negros Oriental. So all our cacao came from Negros Oriental. And then we buy it 3 times than the market price in order to encourage the farmers.
Actually, ang business ko
Port Terminal 2 sa Pantalan. Tatay, ang nakangalan dito is Negros Products.
Ito ang mga supermarkets. Naa siya sa Lee Plaza, Hypermart, sa Kangs. Naa na punta siya outside Negros Oriental.
So, is it convenient, ma'am?
Sa amo ang part, yes, because dili namin mag-communicate customer of kami. So, get food and the client.
So, how about with partnership with Get Food soon, ma'am?
Well, I'm open to that. Mas maayo gani kay nadunggan ako ang Get Food is murag local ni siya, no? Sa Negros
Yes, ma'am.
Oriental. So, padayon ta ani.
So, are you willing to connect soon with us?
So, mo to siya naghatag og idea na ko nga why not atong i-try og extend sa ato ang colleagues.
Regarding sa price, so far, Get Food is the pinakabarato so far sa uban ng mga delivery services.
Download Get Food now